Hi, I started as an intern with Kartavyam and today I am an associate editor. The most important thing that Kartavyam has helped me with is enhancing my researching skills. Any project to become successful requires to be well researched, and all the assignments and the tasks that we were allotted with at Kartavyam helped us to research more and more and develop a good quality of researching.
Doing an internship at Kartavyam in my very first year of law school has been an extremely fruitful experience. Kartavyam doesn't only provide you a platform to showcase your talent in terms of legal research writing, but also tells you or mentors you in how one could make it better.
I would like to thank Kartavyam for giving us the opportunity for interning for them. As this whole pandemic thing is going on, we gathered a lot of experience just by sitting at home, and it was a nice experience and enlightening experience. So thank you Kartavyam for this opportunity.
Hi everyone, I work as an intern in this Kartavyam legal internship. I feel so happy and so proud to be a part in this internship program because I have enhanced my skills, especially my researching skills and my writing skills, which I'm quite proud of. And I even met a lot of people from different states all over the country in a debate competition which was conducted by this internship.
Kartavyam Trust teaches its intern to strive for excellence and helps in our overall development. Our mentors at the Kartavyam Trust helps us understand our projects better and even go out of their way to make us feel comfortable. Kartavyam has given me such a wonderful opportunity, and for that I am very thankful to them.
Hey guys, I'm Parimal Wag. Currently, I'm pursuing my FY LLB from the Government Law College, Mumbai. I've been an intern with the Kartavyam with Trust from April, and I would say that it is one of the best places where I have excelled in the field of legal writing and legal research.
I would like to thank all the people working in Kartavyam. You all are working really good and doing a really good job. And I would request you to do the same and reach the greater heights of the success.
My internship with Kartavyam really taught me a lot. The primary thing would be it teaching me how to manage my time, because we had all the interns, we had a lot of work to do in such short period of time. Kind of made me realize how I can manage my workload. And now when I look back at my internships that I did after Kartavyam, this really helped me, me knowing how I can manage my workload. So of course this was the primary learning. There were many other, and for everything I thank Kartavyam.
Interview had helped me in learning some essential skills that are very important in a law student life. That is, writing of research papers, case laws, giving of case presentations in an effective communication mode. These all things I have learned in a better manner. Kartavyam also helped me in rendering the service in the name of the humanity.
Apart from the web development skills that I was able to enhance in Kartavyam, I actually liked the third week task, that was the social work task. It made me feel so good from within, and it was such a great experience.
Hello everyone, my name is Ishita and I interned at Kartavyam organization for 1 month. During this period, I was in contact with 3 people, Arlen sir, Ananya ma'am and Seerat ma'am. They all were very nice. They used to give us certain tasks like article, blog writing, and after when we submitted it, they used to review our work and give us honest feedback. So I feel they helped me improve as a researcher, and they were very nice and respectful, so it was a good experience.
Kartavyam has enhanced my skills in research work, debates, and encouraged me to do a lot of social work. It invites top lawyers to organize fruitful session that gives confidence to law students and encourage them to help a lot to needy people.
Kartavyam helped me a lot to improve my research skills through the weekly activity tasks. Thank you, Kartavyam.
Hello, I would like to say my experience in Kartavyam was totally an enriching one. Starting from the first day itself, we were given an opportunity to learn about anything and everything that we ever wanted to learn in law.
Hello everyone, my name is Samiksha Goswami. I had worked with Kartavyam. It was really very wonderful experience while working with them.
Having been a part of Kartavyam family for over 5 months now, I do not know how to thank Kartavyam enough. because today Kartavyam is nothing less than a second family to me.
Through Kartavyam, I got the chance to interact with some wonderful advocates and learn from them. I also got the opportunity to learn about things that I did not think I would learn, and to grow in a way that no internship had ever offered me. I am very glad to have worked with Kartavyam.
Hello everyone. When I joined Kartavyam, I thought it would be like any other internship when we get the work and we have to submit it by deadline, but this was a totally different internship and it was a new experience because they give us various kinds of work and on varied topics. So this helped me in reading a lot about new topics, and it also improved my researching skills and the way I research about various topics. So thank you, Kartavyam.
Kartavyam has helped me in learning many things. It gave me an opportunity to apply my acquired knowledge to the real work experience. Not only it helped me in developing my level of confidence by conducting the debates and the presentation, but also it helped me in brushing up my research and the communication skills. I'm thankful to all the team members who have helped me and guided me. Thank you.
Kartavyam has helped me in several ways. I got to work with the best people. I had good and helping mentors. I'm thankful to my mentors for being there throughout, guiding me and helping me. I not only got to work here, but also developed, owned and polished my skills.
My internship at Kartavyam has been a great learning experience. I've been able to improve upon my legal researching skills and my legal writing skills. Mentors at Kartavyam have been extremely helpful. Indeed, I feel very lucky to have interned at Kartavyam.